Yo guys, what's up? Today's video, I'm testing out this Triumph 450. I think it's a 2024. So yeah, hopefully I don't crash too. I'm gonna turn on my GoPro. I turned on it's a drone that follows you. Why is it stuck in neutral? Yo, why am I? Oh, I'm going off the track. Ouch. Bro, this thing is crazy. Oh my gosh. What did this do? Watch this case do. Holy moly. Ouch. Ouch. Ooh. Yeah, let's go to a different truck. Good luck. This isn't Wake. Yo, let's go to the... Ouch. 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 Oh my god. Oh. What is it doing? Dude. Yo, I think, yeah, I should go to these ramps. They're over here. Some food. Wait. Holy scrub. Oh. Ouch. Oh. Ouch. Ouch. Good luck, I have the carbon fiber suit from 10 years ago. From one video, but I don't think I posted it. But yeah. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh. Oh shoot, in case this. Oh! trying to do? What time is it? 8:10. Oh. Yo, what is this dude trying to do? Finally, I'm out. Oh, trauma. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Guys, I could sit back and come back to my house. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and follow. Bye.